If you think that German potato salad is a summer dish, German cuisine is here to prove you wrong. These 5 German potato salad recipes are festive, comforting and bold enough to steal the spotlight at your festive table. This southern German classic is about simplicity and technique. The potatoes are sliced when they still warmed, because this way they soaked up the savoury dressing, giving the salad a deep flavour and also a silky texture. Light, elegant and traditional. This is true Christmas favorite in Swabian. Bavarian potato salad is more hearty and rustic. My recipe brings bold, comforting flavors to the table. With savory elements like bacon, feels rich and satisfying without being heavy. And although it contains meat, it still pairs perfectly with any meat dish. Bavarian potato salad is one of my favorites. It's fresh, tangy and slightly sweet. It stands out with its bright flavor. It has a crisp texture because it contains apples and also tangy dressing, what makes it refreshing and a perfect side to sausages or roasts. Is really one of my favorite ones. The Eastern German potato salad is creamy and deeply comforting. It's richer than vinegar-based salads and feels especially festive and filling. This classic dish will definitely bring comfort to your table. And last is the potato salad with a fresh cucumber, and this one is the most refreshing of all. It's creamy and it balances richness with freshness. Perfect for Christmas buffets or as a lighter side dish that still delivers on flavor, and this is actually the one that we're gonna make for Christmas. The recipes to 3 of those potato salads are already available online on my blog, but if you want a full list of all 5 plus additional one, the one from Northern Germany, you will find them in my potato salad PDF cookbook, which you get when you subscribe to my weekly newsletter by clicking at the link in the description box down below. This is where all the details live and your Christmas table gets an upgrade. And at this point, let me know, what is your favorite German potato salad? I'm curious what you're gonna say, because my favorite constantly changes.